Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share a fantastic fat-burning drink that can help you shed those extra pounds quickly. This powerful concoction is designed to boost your metabolism, eliminate harmful toxins, cleanse your system, and accelerate your weight loss journey. Starting your day with this healthy habit often makes it easier to make better choices throughout the rest of the day. You're probably familiar with the benefits of warm lemon water with honey in the morning for weight loss. However, did you know that adding just one more ingredient can supercharge your weight loss process? Let's explore how this lemon and honey water impacts our bodies. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which bolsters our immune system. They're also packed with pectin fibers, known to promote colon health. Additionally, lemons provide essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, potassium, citric acid, and phosphorus. Notably, the pectin in lemons helps curb hunger cravings. Now, let's talk about honey. Honey offers a plethora of benefits in a compact package. It's a natural sweetener with antibacterial properties, aiding in wound healing and sore throat relief. Rich in antioxidants, it boosts overall health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Honey's anti-inflammatory properties soothe digestive issues and allergies. Plus, it promotes better sleep and supports weight management. Honey is referred to as yogawahi due to its unique ability to penetrate deep tissues in the body. When combined with other herbal preparations, honey enhances their medicinal properties and helps them reach deeper tissues. A crucial note: honey should never be added to hot food, as heating it beyond 108 degrees Fahrenheit, 42 degrees Celsius, makes it challenging to digest, rendering it a toxin to the body. When using honey, ensure the water is lukewarm, approximately 38 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's prepare this incredible drink. In a glass, pour lukewarm water, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and give it a good stir. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, surpassing even flax seeds in content. These tiny seeds contain fiber, protein, calcium, magnesium, copper, zinc, and various other nutrients. When soaked in water, they form a gel-like coating, which aids in weight loss by keeping hunger at bay and keeping you feeling full for longer. To prevent clumping or sinking, stir the chia seeds for 2 to 3 minutes to allow them to swell. Afterwards, squeeze in half a lemon and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the honey blends seamlessly with the drink. Now here's the key: drink this on an empty stomach every morning to jumpstart your weight loss journey. Give this fat-burning elixir a try and share your results with me. Don't forget to show some love by liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Goodbye.